It's cool having body fat and like skin that moves. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas! Hope you guys are having an amazing Christmas day. Whatever time you're watching this, I just hope that you're doing grand and swell. Today's video is a what I eat in a day holiday edition. Today I thought I would put a little twist on it and just do a holiday version, which isn't much different than a normal version, but I'm probably gonna be making some holiday drinks during the holidays. I mean, anytime, to be quite honest. I really like to just enjoy myself. I love to eat cookies. I'm not care too much about strict rules. I just don't eat meat. If you're new to this channel, I want you to know we eat here. This is not gonna be a what I eat in a day that's like, I eat one piece of salad and then I just go about my day. And then for dinner, I have a potato and then I just go to bed. Sad. No, this is not that kind of channel. We make comfort food. I mean, if you guys like that, let's see what I eat in a day. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I woke up late this morning. I woke up at 11 and then I sat in bed for an hour and then I got ready for this video. So let's go get some breakfast. I'm holding my entire tripod up right now. You guys. First, we feed Hanale. Hanale, come on, get some food. One scoop of delicious food for Hanale. Usually I'll go get an iced coffee for my daily dose of caffeination and personality. Recently I've been making masala chai. It's just the perfect, cozy, it just gets me going. We're gonna be using the masala chai from Rishi. To prepare it, you just put half milk and half masala chai. On the other side, it has the caffeination level. To me, it's like a good source of caffeine, kind of how you would refer to matcha. It gives me that same level of like caffeine, but not like you're going crazy. For the milk, we're gonna be using this milk from Oatly. You're supposed to shake it. We're gonna be using a good old pot. I also like to get just some cinnamon. I just feel like it makes it that much spicier. Then we just mix it up until it's hot, and that's literally it. And there you have it, people. Masala chai. Ah, so beautiful. She's perfect. Ah, this drink is just, just puts you in that like waking up slow mood. You're sitting in your house, folk music playing, responding to emails. If you buy the oat milk and you buy the masala chai, it literally lasts you like a full 7 days of drinking it every single day. Something was on my teeth and y'all didn't even tell me. I just realized there is no food in my kitchen. I did not plan for this video properly, so we're gonna have to go to the grocery store. This is not my breakfast. Typically, I would actually eat something. I think we're gonna have to go get breakfast somewhere else and get some groceries for the rest of the day. My phone is currently resting on a block of cheese. I'm currently parked back at my house. Had to go to Whole Foods. This video could have been thought through a little better. And did I just spit out a fuzz? It's literally 3 o'clock. I still have not made breakfast. I'm gonna go make a pizza at home and we're just gonna eat breakfast together tomorrow morning because I started off pretty late today and the sun is setting. My camera is on a block of cheese. We're on the move. We're on the move. La-da-da-da-da-da. We're making the turn. Oh no. All right, guys, these pizzas right here. These pizzas right here save my life. Daya, gluten-free. This is gluten-free? I never knew. I'm not gluten-free personally. I love some bread. So these are the Daya vegan pizzas. They come in all shapes and sizes. This week I was feeling the meat lovers. They literally cook so fast. You just pop them in the oven. They're done in like 15 minutes. 450 degrees. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like, just like any frozen pizza. Spread everything out properly, put it on a 15 minutes and you're done. Damn, a delicious pizza. Oh yeah. It's hot. I'm gonna go take Hanale down to the park. I literally said that and look at her. She's crying in that pole and I'm in love with the stripper. Why did I have this song stuck in my head? Now we go.
Hanale, give him back his toy. Hanale, come on.
It's 7 p.m. Why is this so bright? Calm down. It is 7 p.m. Typically, this is about the time that I make a little bit of dinner. We're gonna be making fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Don't come for me if this is not, if you're Italian and this is Look at all this dog hair. We're just gonna honestly experiment. I don't really have a recipe. I'll just show you guys what I have. We have our pasta noodles, and then we have 3 different types of vegan cheese. We have this feta cheese from literally, what is the brand? Just like feta. Then we have the Miyoko's garlic and herb cheese. This is my favorite vegan cheese. You can't go wrong with this. If you put this on anything, it's gonna taste good. We're gonna mix this all together and hope for the best. Let's get started. Oh, there we go. For the pasta sauce, I'm going to be caramelizing some onions and then adding in the garlic until they're both soft, just in case any vampires come. I'll have a couple garlics. Okay, into this, I'm gonna add a little bit of oat milk to provide a base for the sauce. And then I'm just going to add some of the cheese into the pot. I'm also gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast. I'm also going to add into the sauce some protein powder, some salt, and some truffle dust. Next, I'm just gonna add some cashews into the sauce for creaminess. I'm just going to heat up those cashews. Pasta noodles seem to be ready. Next, I'm just going to add my pasta sauce into the blender, blend it up, take the noodles out, and we're good. This does not look appetizing. It's definitely gonna be interesting. This is the first time I've ever made pasta that was like cheesy. I don't know, let's see how this goes. No recipe. What is happening here? The pasta noodles are like cold. The first bites are bad, but then as you start to chew it, it gets better. I'm gonna tell you 2 things. This is not good. Don't make this recipe. This pasta is so sad. This just ruined my whole night. I'm gonna finish this pasta. Dude, that pasta is, it was so bad. I got the recipe off some like fancy vegan like website, and I thought I would make it even better by adding like vegan cheese into it, but it literally tasted like butthole. So don't make that pasta. If you want good pasta recipes, go to my Instagram and click on the Chef Ava highlight. I feel so bad for wasting your time watching me make that nasty pasta. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, then we're gonna make some cookies. For Christmas recently, I've been making cookies with this cookie dough. This is the Eat Pastry cookie dough. It's vegan. First thing we're gonna do is get a pan. And this pan is definitely for making something like a turkey. I don't know what you would even use this for. Definitely not cookies. Would not be the first time I made cookies in that. We're gonna do it again and nobody's gonna stop me. The first thing we're gonna do. Every time you make cookies, you're supposed to butter the pan. What I use for that is the Earth Balance vegan butter. Pretty sure The Bachelor's on tonight. It's actually probably on right now. Definitely gonna bake some cookies and watch The Bachelor and cry because my boyfriend is 3,000 miles away. Oh yeah. Now that the cookies are ready to go into the oven, all we have to do is just wait for it to be done heating and then pop those babies in the oven. Okay, so while the cookies are in the oven, we are going to get started on the last thing we're making tonight. We are gonna be making my Christmas peppermint hot chocolate. We're going to be adding some whiskey in it, so if you're of age, it is the perfect holiday drink if you're just having friends over. However, you don't have to put alcohol in it. This is just peppermint hot chocolate. Let's get started. You're going to need a pot. I'm going to be using the same pot we cooked the failed pasta in. I don't use regular Nutella because there's dairy in it, so I'm gonna be using this vegan Nutella. This isn't labeled vegan Nutella, but it basically is. The real tea is this is way better. This is called nocciolata. Italians do not come for me. We're also gonna be using some vegan chocolate chips. These are from the brand Enjoy Life. You will also be needing some oat milk or whatever your milk of choice is. We're going to be adding 1 cup, basically not a full cup, but just enough so that you can add your whiskey in later. If you're not adding whiskey, add a full cup. Once your milk is heated up, you can go ahead and add your Nutella. I'm gonna be adding 2 full scoops white sugar. Cookies are done. Hot chocolate is done. For the hot chocolate, Jack Daniels, the whiskey. It's gonna be so good. I hope I didn't put too much.
2 shots of vodka.
Moment of truth, people. Oh, shit. That's good, but that's also gonna get me This is gonna make me call Brent. Even though whiskey isn't like peppermint flavored, it just gives it that like fresh spiciness. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. Try it. We've got our cookies, we have our hot chocolate. It's time to watch The Bachelor. Guys, I'm so dumb. Why did I think today was Monday and I was gonna watch a new episode of The Bachelor? It's literally Sunday. I think I'm gonna call this one a night and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is the next day and I'm currently getting ready to head to my training. As a lot of you guys know, I had back surgery a couple months ago. The recovery recovery process from the surgery has been really difficult. I just started working with a trainer to kind of like get my strength back up. I try to do stretching every single day because it really helps to get the mobility back in my body, especially after my back surgery. My voice is so low and I'm like leaned over like this. What the fuck? Pretty much always I wake up with like my neck hurting or my back hurting. We're gonna stretch as much of that out as we possibly can. I haven't stretched in days because I've been really lazy. My training starts in literally like less than 10 minutes. I went and got my Belgian waffle. I was gonna get coffee, but I just feel like drinking coffee before working out probably is not a good idea. So instead, I got their lemon yuzu fizz, which is just sparkling water, yuzu, and lemon. I currently have training for an hour and I go straight into physical therapy for an hour. I'm gonna be here until 2 p.m. All right, let's get it.
2 hours later.
The sun is literally setting. Daylight savings is the worst invention. Just finished my training. I went to Chipotle. I just figured, you know, the sun is setting. I just figured I would eat it outside Chipotle in the comfort of my car. Oh yeah, hear that noise? My Chipotle order is white rice, black beans, sofritas, vegetables, and I'll usually just put like some sauce. Definitely not a corn girl. If you're one of those people, please give me your argument as to why you're a corn person. I thought it would be fun to end this video by asking you guys questions on Instagram regarding food and nutrition and just all that stuff. I started going through them and you guys actually have a lot of questions. Let's dive in. Do you calorie count? I do not calorie count. I stopped doing that many years ago. I think I calorie counted for like 1 week. Hated my life. Was constantly angry. That's when I realized, what's the point? This is gonna annoy me. There we go. Tips for healthy snacking. For me, it's really easy to do healthy snacking because I just don't allow stuff in my house that's like super processed. I like to do apples and peanut butter, apples and like my vegan Nutella, fruits like raspberries and stuff like that. I love to snack on those things. The hot Cheetos feel good in the moment, but not that good later. The fruit plate feels good in the moment and good later. How do you make a balance between eating healthy and not eating healthy? Frick this idea of planning when you're gonna be healthy and then like planning when you're not gonna be healthy. Health is subjective. I think this is healthy, but I know some people will be like, that's not healthy. Chipotle, not healthy. But to me, this is just a healthy meal. Someone asked, how can I healthily gain weight? For me, growing up, I used to be really skinny. The way that I gained weight healthily was I stopped being so active. I was running track and I was dancing and I was playing soccer and like all these crazy sports. When I started gaining weight was obviously when everyone starts gaining weight, when they graduate high school, as you get older and you stop playing sports, you allow your body to like fill out in the spaces it was supposed to fill out in. It's cool having body fat and like skin that moves. In high school, I went through a process where I wanted to gain weight so bad and I went on this like 3,000 calorie a day diet. I remember I woke up one morning after Thanksgiving. I was 10 pounds heavier, which I was so excited about. And I woke up and my body metabolized it all and I lost the 10 pounds like basically overnight. And I realized in high school, if this is how my body wants to look and this is how it's supposed to look and this is what is healthy for it right now, that's what I have to accept and that's what I have to love. As you get older and as you go through new phases of your life, your body's gonna enter different phases of that life too, no matter what your body's supposed to look like. To a certain extent, you have to roll with it. And you gotta love every version of yourself. And if you had one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be? Black beans, white rice, and a ton of spices. Best tip of advice, get spices. Get cumin, curry powder, pepper, paprika, get tahini. I will like put a list of my spices in the description box below. Just put spices on everything you eat. And with that, I'm going to end this video here. Honestly, like real talk, this last 2 weeks has been seriously stressful. Not gonna lie, it has not been easy the last 2 weeks creating meals for myself. I've just been Postmating every single meal. I've just been so unmotivated to be cooking in my kitchen. I don't know, I think it's just the pandemic. Let me know if you've been like that too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want any more videos like this and suggest some videos for me to do if you want me to talk about like vegan foods or what's in my kitchen. And yeah, that is it for this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that fun stuff will be linked down below. Love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Happy New Year. Bye.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz. Por fin.